Welcome back to New Tech Look, your ultimate source for the latest in technological advancements and innovative gadgets. I'm your host, 𝐍𝐤𝐚, and today we have an exciting topic to discuss, the upcoming smartphone from Nokia, the Nokia Magic Max 2023. Before we dive into the details, let's take a moment to appreciate Nokia's rich history. Founded in 1865, Nokia has become a household name, known for its cutting-edge technology and exceptional build quality. Now, let's talk about the Nokia Magic Max 2023. This highly anticipated smartphone is packed with features that will surely amaze you. First up, let's talk about the display. The Nokia Magic Max 2023 boasts a stunning 6.9-inch Super AMOLED full touch-screen display. With a resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels and Corning Gorilla Glass 7 protection, this phone offers a vibrant and immersive visual experience. Moving on to the camera department, Nokia has gone above and beyond with the Nokia Magic Max 2023. It features a powerful triple camera setup on the back, including a whopping 144MP primary lens, a 32MP ultrawide lens, and a 5MP depth sensor. Say goodbye to blurry photos with Nokia 𝐍𝐸 optics, LED flash, and advanced camera features. But it doesn't end there. The Nokia Magic Max 2023 boasts a sleek and premium design that's sure to turn heads. Its robust 6,900 mAh non-removable battery ensures long-lasting usage, and with 65W fast battery charging, you'll be back up and running in no time. Memory is a crucial aspect for smartphone users, and Nokia understands that. The Nokia Magic Max 2023 comes with an impressive 12 GB of RAM and storage options of 256 GB and 512 GB. Plus, you have the flexibility to expand the storage up to a whopping 1 TB using a microSD card. Running on Android 13 and powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 mobile platform, this phone offers seamless performance and fast multitasking. It supports various network technologies, including GSM, CDMA, HSPA, EVDO, LTE, and 5G, ensuring you stay connected wherever you go. Nokia has also incorporated advanced sensor technology into the Magic Max 2023. With features like an under-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, accelerometer, gyro, proximity sensor, compass, and barometer, this phone offers enhanced security and a seamless user experience. The Nokia Magic Max 2023 is undoubtedly an exciting addition to Nokia's lineup, combining powerful features, a stunning display, impressive cameras, and a long-lasting battery. While we eagerly await its official release date and pricing, it's safe to say that Nokia continues to impress us with its commitment to innovation and quality. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. See you in the next video.